start with a meaningful quote. If you aren't allowed to say it loud, then use your pen and start writing. Use the pen where tongue doesn't work. You will see how powerful it is. That's a meaningful quote. Whether you know who wrote this quote, kindly comment it. So hello and welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collectors and anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. I am Navi and I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review Sheaffer 9356 model roller ball pen. I'll show you the pen first. Here is Sheaffer 9356 roller ball pen. So here is the pen. Wow. So this overall body is made up of metal. Look at the color combination. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Before start reviewing this pen, we'll review the box first. This pen comes with an elegant gift box. So this is Sheaffer. You can see all the Sheaffer branded pens. They won't write the names of the brand name in the clip or right side of the clip or bottom of the pen. They won't write their brand name. They'll just give a logo, that white color dot symbol along the pen clip, in the top of the clip, and they'll write the brand name in the band or trim rings. Other than that, it's very plain and simple with amazing writing. So here we have an elegant gift box, and this will come with a comfortable gift box. Here it's very soft. Now we'll review this pen. It's Sheaffer 9356 model roller ball pen. This overall body is made up of metal. Look at the color combinations: marble, maroon and then black with silver clip. Yeah, this looks amazing. Here is the trim rings. It's silver color. In the band they have mentioned Sheaffer. This will come with a bottom and the top comes with a black finish. It's a cut finial in the top and it's a flat finial in the bottom. Here this logo, this is the brand logo and it's just amazing. So this clip is a user friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in the pocket and we can use this pen. Yes, it's just amazing. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Sheaffer 9356 model roller ball pen. We are going to calculate the length. Carries 148.41 mm. Now let's unscrew the cap and check the length. It's 128.06 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section diameter. 9.08 mm. Grip section diameter near the thread part, it's 11.99 mm. Okay, now we'll move on to the video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. It's Sheaffer 9356 model. It's a roller ball pen and it carries 29 gram. Now we are unscrewing the cap. And we are going to check the overall weight of the body. It's 18 gram and this cap carries 11 gram. Now we'll unscrew this and check the barrel weight. This color looking amazing actually. Including the refill, we'll check the weight first. It's 13 gram. Now we'll take this refill and check the weight of the refill. It's 5 gram and this barrel carries 8 gram. Here is the upper part and that carries 4 gram. It's 5 gram. Now we did the construction of the pen. So we look into the pen. It's a thread type cap. See the grip section. This is a roller ball pen with medium tip. Amazing grip section. Look into the refill type. It's black color refill. Sheaffer roller ball refill too. Instead of this branded refill, we can alternatively use Zinner or Smith refill. That spare is also available in penhouse.in. Now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Sheaffer 9356 model roller ball pen. Okay, we are unscrewing this. It's a thread type roller ball pen. First, we are going to write penhouse.in. Wow, it's very smooth. Yes, it's very dark in color, and this is black color refill. This is Sheaffer. And this grip section, it's not slippery and amazing. This is medium tip. Now we'll do the smoothing test. After writing, it seems like it's an ink pen. That's a specialty thing in this roller types. Yeah, it's very dark in color, and the ink flow is nice. I couldn't take off my hands from writing. It's very smooth and it feels wow. It's very dark, and horizontal line and vertical line. Yeah, it's very smooth. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's just amazing and very smooth. I thought this grip section would be slippery, but it's not at all slippery. The amazing grip section we have. And it's a larger part of grip section. I just love this pen, including that color, marble maroon color. Yes, I just love this pen. So who all can use this pen? This is a medium tip, but school students, office going, and adults, everybody can use this pen. We came to the end of the session. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different brands. We are retailing different branded pens like Sheaffer, Lamy, Parker, Ranga, Ratnam, all branded pens with their spares. All the spares are available like converters, cartridges, nibs, different sizes nibs with different colors and different models. We are available with different branded pens, and we are manufacturing of our own branded pens like roller ball pen, ballpoint pen, fountain pens, especially handmade pens. Silver pens also available in penhouse.in. One more main thing, using this types of luxury pens, you need to maintain it properly. First way, you need to carry a pouch. Without pouch, the pen may get scratches and it won't come to a lifelong. So you need to always carry a pen pouch. So that pen pouch is also customized in penhouse.in. According to your pen size, will customize to you. And then you need to make services for this pen. So that service is also available in penhouse.in. You can also purchase through online, and you can visit our shop directly. It's in Tambaram, Velachery and Solinganallur. So if you want to know more details, subscribe to our channel. And until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.